This is the moment. Realizing that there are no special moments or moments worth documenting over other ordinary moments has been a struggle of mine recently. I wanted to exercise that habit of appreciating and being present in the moments that weren't as eventful or exciting in hindsight. So I decided to document whatever I was doing during my last week of break, with the goal of hopefully putting together something at the end. I noticed there's a sort of indescribable feeling during the specks of time where I appreciate the moments that are often overlooked. I'm moving back to my off-campus house tomorrow for my last semester of college, and I think this is a perfect opportunity to romanticize the mundane. So, winter break is done. Now the hard part begins. My worst enemy, packing. Man, I'm full. What should we do now?
Can we go to the mall?
There is no way we're going to the mall.